Well, that's a good profit. I'll take it. Now I click remove liquidity. Okay, I see my token and Solana will return to the wallet. So I sign the transaction and that's it. This new method of launching meme coins is turning people into millionaires right now. Look at these purchases. Look at this deck screener. Now, those who create crypto meme tokens using the new brilliant method are making a good profit. And don't use Pump.Fun. Today, I will guide you about this new method of creating meme coins on Solana. Hello, buddy. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to make your own meme coin on Solana using a new method thanks to which your token will be bought even without marketing. These will be organic purchases. You just need to launch a meme coins. Of course, this is purely for educational purposes. This is not a call to action and not financial advice. Always stay alert and don't get caught in any scams. So there's a new method that's recently come into the spotlight. I'm not sure how long it will stay effective, but as of now it works and it seems like it'll keep working for a while. In today's video, I'll walk you through how people are launching meme coins using a fresh, you could even say genius approach and making thousands of dollars a day. To create a token with this new function, we'll be using a specific website. I'll drop the link to that site in the description below this video. Many decks now launching crypto meme coins on Pump.Fun, but it works very bad. Now look how many tokens there are. Very bad option tokens on Pump.Fun are not needed by anyone. We will not use Pump.Fun. We will create a token directly and it will immediately appear on the deck screener. By launching a token on this site, the token will automatically be added to the deck screener. Now, jump back to solanatokenlabs.io and connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in, first I open the deck screener, choose any token that is popular now. So I need choose a good token, which I will copy, which is popular now. This will give us more buyers. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. Just click next and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just smash that skip button and continue. More precisely, we will specify the whale wallet. Yes, this is a new function. We can replace the information about the token creator. This information will be replaced in the smart contract metadata, but you will be the real owner. Okay, now I'll show you why we need this. Look how many tokens are launched every few minutes. You can see this information in this service. In fact, there are a lot of such services. They are monitored by a total of hundreds and thousands of buyers. A lot of buyers and a sniper bot monitors this. Look at this information about the token creator. We need to find the creator who has a lot of Solana in his wallet. We will launch a token with low liquidity, for example, with 1 Solana. This will be displayed everywhere on all services. Buyers will see it. And at the same time, the creator's wallet will be displayed on which there is a lot of Solana. Buyers will see that there is a lot of Solana in the creator's wallet. When buyers see tokens launched on this principle, they think that the creator deliberately added little liquidity so that the people or influencers he needs could buy the token at a low price. And then he adds all this Solana from his wallet to liquidity and the token go to the moon. And when people think so, they are right. Indeed, some creators do so. That is why buyers and sniper bots are looking for such tokens. And today we will pretend that our token is exactly like that. Look, this is a good example. The creator launched a token with low liquidity, but his wallet had a lot of Solana. Any buyer could buy this meme token at a very low price within 30 minutes, and then this token flew to the moon. Today, I will create a token that will seem the same to buyers. Well, I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copy the wallet address and paste it here. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana Token Labs lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump like suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on solanatokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid a long wait while creating your coin, add PM or mo like 2 alphabets in small. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, a massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click launch my token now. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with one click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. Now I click on the address and jump to SolScan. I copy the address of my token. Well, in order for the token to appear everywhere, including Dex Screener, you need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on PumpSwap. This is a new function of Pump.Fun or on Raydium. I will use Raydium because it is more popular. I click Create Select Standard, and a page opens with the creation of a liquidity pool. In the first paragraph, we insert the address of our token. The symbol and name are the same as when creating the token. Next, add the user token and select your token. I will add 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool, but it does not matter. Next, I put 4 Solana, but you can put less, for example, 1 Solana. You can withdraw the liquidity pool and get the Solana back at any time. This is exactly what we will do. Withdraw liquidity back because there is more Solana in the liquidity pool when someone buys your token. Okay, here I choose a 2% fee, and that's it. I just click initialize liquidity. The transaction opened in my wallet. Now I just click confirm and the liquidity pool is created. So nothing important here, just click got it. Now we copy the token address again, go to the Dex Screener and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address to our, okay, great. We see our token on the Dex Screener. We already see instant purchases by sniper bots, but this is too little for us. This is not enough. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start buying. Note that the Dex Screener displays liquidity twice as much as real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Okay, I'll speed up the video and look at the purchases. Okay, I open my portfolio on Raydium to see how much money is in my liquidity pool now. Well, if I remove the liquidity now, I will get about 15 Solana. That's okay, good profit. Look how well this token flies to the moon. Well, now I look at my position in the portfolio and I see my profit in real time. To withdraw the liquidity pool, you need to click Remove Liquidity, select 100% and click Remove Liquidity. Solana will be in your wallet. Let me remind you that I did not do any marketing or promotion for the token. I only used the new function. And look how well this token flies to the moon. Well, that's a good profit. I'll take it now. I click Remove Liquidity. Okay, I see my token and Solana will return to the wallet. So I sign the transaction and that's it. The liquidity is removed, can say that this is a rug pull. We can see remote liquidity on the Dex Screener. I got a good profit. This is already the 8th token that I launched in this method. Each token gave a profit. No marketing, no promotion, only a new method. Many meme coins on Dex bring excellent profit to buyers when token devs do not make rug pull and do marketing for crypto tokens. Therefore, buyers continue to buy all the tokens created on this principle and do not worry.